In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an invoice in Freshbooks. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, customizing your invoices is a great way to ensure your brand looks professional and polished. Let's get started. First, head over to your Freshbooks dashboard. You can find this by logging into your Freshbooks account and navigating to the main page. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your business finances, and it's where you'll start the invoice design process. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Invoices section. This is usually located in the main navigation menu. Click on it to access your list of invoices. Now, you should see a collection of invoices that you've created or are in the process of creating. Click on the specific invoice that you want to design. This will open up the invoice details. Here, you have a comprehensive view of everything related to this particular document, including client details, itemized charges, and more. Next, look for an Edit button or link associated with the invoice. Click on it to open the editing mode. This is where you have the flexibility to modify the invoice details and add your personal touch. Once you're in the editing mode, one important feature you want to look for is Customize Invoice Style. Click on this option. This feature allows you to tailor your invoice to better reflect your company's branding. In the customization section, Freshbooks gives you several options to refine your invoice design. You can change the theme color to match your company's branding. This is an excellent way to create visual consistency across all your business materials. Choose a color that you associate with your brand, as this will help reinforce your image every time a client receives an invoice. You'll also have the option to select a different invoice template. Freshbooks provides various templates to suit different business needs and aesthetics. Take some time to explore these options and pick one that aligns with the tone of your business. Whether you want something minimalist and clean or more detailed and traditional, there's likely a template that will fit. Lastly, remember, the goal here is not just to create a visually appealing invoice, but also to make it functional and informative for your clients. Ensure that all necessary information, like payment terms and contact details, are clearly visible. This will help avoid any confusion and facilitate smoother transactions. And there you have it. You're now equipped to design professional and branded invoices in Freshbooks. This simple customization can make a significant difference in how your business is perceived by clients. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you elevate your billing process.